Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Meister. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He was considered a culinary Meister, able to create delicious dishes with ease. Meister is a German term meaning master or expert. In this sentence, it refers to someone highly skilled or accomplished in a specific field, such as cooking. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.